welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Chiliz. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the price change in the Chiliz? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now that is the last 1 hour price chart. You can see here, the price of the Chiliz is fast down from the last 30 minutes. You can see here that is the latest in live price updates of the Chiliz token. Let's see more about the Chiliz token. What's the current price? You can see here, and the current price of Chiliz at this time is $0.2 friends. On the side, if you look the open price of the market, you can see here 0.2437 USD is the open time. You can see the price is fast down, friends. So that's from the yesterday, from the last 1 day, the price of the Chiliz is going fast down. But that's not mean that you decide to sell him, my friends. It's mean that you have to hold your coin. That's how you can get a profit from the Chiliz token. Anyways, if you look the 24 hours, highest price was 0.2736 USD is the highest price of the Chiliz in the last 24-hour, friends. Same like that, the market cap, fully diluted market cap, is also moved upward. But now the currently price is going fast down. You can see here that is the last 1 hour live price chart. You can see here now the price is fast down. The red candle represent the last 1 minute. You can see here, now at this time also they are in the fanning mode. So oh my god, the green candle again represent. I hope that they will take a jump. Let's see what's going on. Absolutely, my prediction, I believe that Chiliz will give us good amount of profit in the last half this one. As you know that today is 25 May, and I hope that the last after 30 May, 31 May, they will give us good amount of profit. So that is why for short-term investor, my suggestion is that please sell your Chiliz token in the last half this month, friends. Anyways, my friend, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chiliz? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.